In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Curiosity Stream subscription. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, there's a few different ways to do it. So I'm going to go through the first one is via the website. So log into your Curiosity Stream account. Click on your profile icon once done. It's located in the upper right hand corner. Select account settings from the drop down menu. Navigate to the subscription section. Click on cancel subscription and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. And now if you're on a mobile device, so simply open up the Curiosity Stream app and then log in if needed. Tap on your profile icon, go to account settings, find the subscription section, tap cancel subscription and follow the instructions to confirm your cancellation. And now if you're using an iOS device, open up settings on your device, tap on your name, Apple ID, select subscriptions, find Curiosity Stream and tap on it. Tap cancel subscription and confirm. And now I'll show you how to do this on an Android phone. So go to your Play Store and now from here click onto your profile, top right hand corner. Make sure you're in the right Gmail account, and then from here click on payments and subscriptions and then click on to subscriptions. And now this is where the Curiosity Stream subscription will be seen. So click onto it and then click on cancel subscription. And make sure to cancel your subscriptions a few days before the next billing date to avoid being overcharged for the next month.